Hello everybody, this is going to be a short Microsoft Excel VBA video on how to loop and identify all of your worksheets that are open within a workbook. And then in a later video, the following video, I'm going to show how you can create a table of contents using all of those sheets that you loop. And so let's go on and just do part one of this video, and that's going to be creating a loop that's going to look at all the all the worksheets you have open in your workbook. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have a workbook open that has a total of 4 tabs, and what we're going to do is draw a command button on our form. I already have one here, but I'm going to delete it for the purpose of demonstrating this. In my developers tab, I'm going to do insert, and under ActiveX controls, select my command button, and I'm going to right click it, do properties, and all I'm going to do is for command button 1 is call this get all sheets and hit enter. I'm going to go on and double click that because I'm into design mode, and as I double click it, it'll take me into the Visual Basic environment. The first thing we want to do is declare a variable for our worksheets. So I'm going to do dim worksheet as a worksheet. This name can be any name that you want. In this case I just did work_sheet, but as worksheet this must be as is because we are calling the Excel. And what we're going to do is do for each worksheet, that's the name of the variable, in active workbook dot sheets. The next thing we're going to type is message box work_sheet dot name. I'll do the ampersand, double quote, just going to put a hyphen and double quote to end it, another ampersand, worksheet dot index, and then just do next worksheet. So if we play this code out, and I'm going to toggle back to my workbook, I'm going to take us out of design mode and play this. You're going to get TOC, and that's going to be index 1. We're going to get home index 2. Sheet 2 is index 3, and then sheet 3 is index 4. And the reason why I wanted to throw that index in there is because I wanted to point out that the last sheet that I created is actually TOC. By default, when I first created this workbook, I had sheet 1, which was home, sheet 2, and sheet 3. And then TOC is the 4th sheet that I added. And the reason why I explain that is because the index number is going to tell you the current position of the sheet. It's going to tell you the current position of the sheet within the workbook. So TOC is the first sheet, and then home, sheet 2, and then sheet 3. If I was to put TOC at the very end, I'm going to drag this over that way to give you another demonstration, and click get all sheets. Home is now the first index, then sheet 2, sheet 3, and then lastly TOC. So I just wanted to give a real quick demonstration on this video. It's a very simple VBA macro that you can create that will list all of the names of the worksheets that are available within your workbook. Reason behind that is because there can be several reasons, but one of the primary reasons that I'm showing this for is because in the next video I'm going to give a little demonstration on how you can create a table of contents automatically for your workbook, so that way if your workbook is constantly changing, you're always adding sheets. I'm going to show a very simple way on how to automate the process of creating a table of contents, and that table of contents will also have a hyperlink on each label. That way when you click that specific sheet, it will automatically link to that sheet. The user won't have to toggle to that sheet and find it. It'll just be in one place. You'll have the table of contents, you click it, and you'll be able to navigate. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.